Here we're starting with an empty template just to kind of show you what it's like to build out a block. So you have a couple different options. First off, you can build from scratch. Second, you can add a block. We have pre-made blocks ready for you guys to use with different options. So you can select some of those basic styles, or you can start fresh from your own. Let's start fresh so you can kind of get an idea of how you would build. Let's start off with building an area that is just going to be a basic hero theme. First off, let's go grab a photo from Google. Let's upload that photo real quick, and we're going to build a basic hero theme type page real quick. So we'd always recommend leaving a good amount of padding, usually 70 to 100 on your padding. Of course, if you can't get your text to lay right, you can always add a little bit of an overlay in order to make it function how you'd like. Let's go ahead and add a heading. We're going to center this and change the color to, let's say, white. Now, you did see the photo shrink. That's not a big deal. We can fix that in just a moment. Below that, let's just put a secondary heading real quick. We always recommend setting up your styling prior to even building. So to set up your general styling, come here to Global Settings, Text Styling, and then you can select the font sizes for each one of your heading tags, your paragraphs, quotes, etc. You're always going to want to make everything on mobile a little bit smaller so it flows correctly. Above this video, we actually have the basic layout of what each heading size and spacing should be, as well as set up your global color palette so your primary colors are always set right here. So you have a very basic hero theme here. Now let's go ahead and add like a secondary area. Let's say we want to add something with text and images, maybe some key points to the brand or something of that nature. We just started with the pre-made block that makes it very simple and quick to build. Next area, we need some testimonials. We can add these in very quick, very easy. So as you can see, you could actually build out a website very quickly by using some of our pre-made blocks. In every section, you're going to see you have multiple different columns here. Let's say you want to have a heading here, call to action button below, and then you want to link it to a different page. We don't have any more than one page on this site, but you can set up multiple pages and link it. Very easy. If you want to send it to a certain product page, you can as well. As you can see, everything you need here to build is going to be here. You can always add padding. You can change your margins as well. Now, of course, this is not a very aesthetic pleasing website. We're just building this out real quick so you can kind of take a look of what building would look like. In the majority of your elements, you have your center alignment or your alignment settings to center it left, right, etc. within this column. In every column, you can actually change the background colors, overlays, whether you want it centered, top or bottom, the borders, and maybe even a background picture. It's fully up to you guys. In this next video that we go over, I'm going to show you how to do the heading as well. And if you have any questions on the basics of building, let us know. It's very simple and drag and drop. So building and editing shouldn't take you long to catch on to. But if you'd like a one-on-one sit down or something of that nature, just contact us and we'll run through it real quick to make sure you have everything you need to succeed.